Welcome to our guide on replacing the rear air springs for the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, W and S211, and CLS-Class, C219, with ADS with Arnott Air Springs. This video will walk you through the essential steps to ensure a smooth and safe installation process. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. When replacing an original equipment air spring with an Arnott air spring, it's crucial to replace both rear air springs at the same time. This prevents height discrepancies due to the vehicle's ride height sensor adjusting for different pressures. To simplify installation, the Arnott part also eliminates the need for an air reservoir. Begin by setting the steering to straight ahead and raising the vehicle. Remove the rear wheels to access the air spring. Locate and remove the electrical plug from the air spring's top mount. Then, use a suitable method to remove the air line from the air spring's top mount. Next, loosen and remove the lower shock mounting nut and bolt to proceed with the disassembly. Loosen and remove the rear control arm nut and bolt. Dislocate the air spring's top mount and remove the lower mounting nut and bolt. Remove the factory air spring from the vehicle by disconnecting the factory rubber hose leading from the air spring to the air spring's reservoir. With Arnott's improved design, the system no longer needs the reservoir. Secure the hose in a suitable location away from any moving parts or components with excessive heat. Install the new rear air springs in the reverse order of removal. Ensure all nuts and bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. After installation, use the Mercedes-Benz DAS-Star diagnostic computer software to inflate the air spring. We recommend that you have your vehicle aligned after completing the installation. Thank you for watching our guide on replacing the Arnott rear air spring. We hope this video has been helpful. For any questions or further assistance, please contact Arnott Support.